Now, something else I want to talk about, because I think it addresses the tips for scalpers and the tips for new traders, is reacting, not predicting. If you try to predict with your trades, what's going to end up happening is you're going to end up on the wrong side of every position. I'm sure that's happened to you before, where every time you buy it, it seems to go down and stop you out. And every time you sell it, it seems to go higher and stop you out. So what can we do to avoid that? Well, I think it starts with the idea of accepting that you have to only react to what the market is telling you, not try to predict, oh, it's off the 8 EMA, let me buy it because I know it has to go back. No. It's off the 8 EMA because it's falling, and you should be trying to sell it, riding that trend. So really, what I'm saying is not so much just react, don't predict. Almost as a new trader or a scalper, stay in trend. It's way easier to scalp in trend than it is counter trend. I'm somebody like, again, today, EuroCAD. I scalped it twice after my initial entry. That's because it was in trend, and it's easy to do once you're in trend. So my tip would be, if you're scalping it, or if you're just a new trader, stay in trend. It's going to make it just more probable for you. You might have less trades overall, but it's going to be way more probable. You're going to win more, you're going to win bigger, and that's what you need as a new trader. I want to make sure we also touch on the idea of at least bagging winners. Like, as a new trader, you want to win, put money in the bag, put money in your account, withdraw the money, and spend it. Some of it, not all of it. You should be trying to grow the account to as big as you can, but to take out $1,000, to take out $5,000 and go on a trip here or there as you're growing is required. If you're talking to me, if you're watching my videos, if you look at me, you need to do that. You need to know what it feels like to have that reward, because that motivates you. I wish I would have done that sooner as a new trader. So that's another tip for new people.